Hello friends, welcome to Client Solutech. Email marketing is a great way to keep connected with people for a long time. Email marketing is a way to build long-term relationships with customers and potential customers, not only new but also past customers, especially for e-commerce website. First time buyer can be converted into more sales, and also to retain them and upgrade them with new product launches. Using email marketing software really help to automate the whole sales process. There are so many email marketing softwares, and each software have their own pros and cons. Which one to use is a matter of research. We have done the research for you. Please find the link in description. The method to use email marketing start with the sign up forms or list building or contact list building. Not only it's helpful and useful for e-commerce website or online store or small businesses, but also very helpful for YouTubers, bloggers and affiliate marketing blogs. Each website visitor to get one visitor to a website or a video or anything required lots of efforts, and because of the search engine algorithms are continuously in change, so it's very difficult to sustain in this inequality to get more visitor and convert those visitors into sales. So what's matter here, that you have to convert each visitor into sales, but it will not happen immediately until you don't build the relationship with them. To build a relationship, first you have to connect with them, and to connect with them you can use sign up forms. Sign up forms are a method in which you display a short form in which you ask for email ID, and in exchange of email ID you share the useful information with them. Not only promotional mails but also educational content, and most of the time it can be personalized, so that one user, one email subscriber or group of subscriber get premium information from you. To do it effectively, the first method you have to use is to make a strategy. What type of content you are writing and how you can utilize that. To use sign up form, you can use it in your website sidebar and in the sign up process, and also after the content or before content. When you publish new content, your email subscriber automatically notified about your post. It will help you to retain the traffic and increase your website traffic and referral rates, because most of the people find the things useful. If they find it useful, they will share through mails to any other person, next person, and it's very helpful for them. And once they are connected with you, it means you are providing certain values. So the first method is to showcase sign up form or email sign up form, where people can subscribe to your website, your products or your business. Other than website, you can use SMS marketing, and you can also use social media paid ads to get more sign-ups and leads. It's also effective for travel agency websites, travelers and anyone those want to keep connected with their website visitor and customers. It's the way to help them more. The second thing in this process is called campaign creation and automation. The way to do campaign creation is very easy if you do it manually. You can use Microsoft Word and you can build a list of contacts in Microsoft Excel. But that's require lots of effort and have limited functionality to run email marketing campaign. So for that you can use email marketing software. Email marketing software are created and designed in a way that make email marketing more effective and convertible, in which you will get predefined templates to create your email marketing campaign. In email marketing campaign, you can include things like your post, latest product updates, social media pages, business logo, and a complete guide that help the user to get some value from that email. Email campaigns, the next thing to do in this process is, once your email campaign is created, the next thing you have to do is to send email to those specific group of people that you have categorized in email marketing software. After that, you can see the performance of your email campaign or marketing campaign, your open rate, bounce rate, how many people opened your email, what action have they taken, etc. And not only that, you can automate the email campaign based on the certain conditions or user intentions or triggers. For example, if user have added the product in the cart but haven't completed the order and abandoned the cart due to lack of internet connection or any other fault, so immediately the email marketing software will send the email to that user who signed up and already added the product in cart. So that user get that link to again start the buying process. It's a complete journey that make user customer very effective to buy products and to reach information that they need. And if that gets abandoned due to any other reason, they will get the mails automatically. Not only that, if your users are once your website visitor or your product visitor or any traffic or people those are visiting your product pages trying to close the website, in that time the email marketing software, or you can use trigger, and certain pop-up will come out and ask for the information from the users, so that it can help the user to learn more about, and it also help you to get the retain that visitor for a long term. So these are the top 3-4 things that are important in email marketing and software. There are various strategies to use in email marketing, and to learn more about it, please let me know that, so that I can share more information with you. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.